everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Plum Alcohol-Free Green Tea Toner. So if you guys want to know my honest thoughts on this product, please keep on watching. This one retails for 390 rupees for 200 ml of product. It comes in this white opaque plastic bottle with a press open cap. All the necessary information like ingredients, expiration date and other important information, everything is mentioned on the entire bottle. The product description of this toner says, there's a very fine line between products that leave your oily skin feeling greasy and ones that dry up your skin in the process of getting rid of excess oils. Our Plum Green Tea Toner exists exactly on that line. This alcohol-free toner is enriched with green tea extracts that combat acne and glycolic acid that gently exfoliates and removes dead skin cells. After all, alcohol belongs in better places than your toner. Reasons to Love has an alcohol-free, non-drying formula that effectively shrinks pores, contains non-comedogenic ingredients, rich in green tea extracts that tone, hydrate and clarifies the skin. Glycolic acid helps weed out dead skin cells. 100% vegan, paraben-free, phthalate-free and cruelty-free. There are two ways of using this product. The first way being that after you wash your face, just take a little bit of the amount on your palm and splash it on your face and then let it air dry. The second way being that you can use a cotton ball and dab the entire product gently all over your face and then let it air dry. The main important thing is here, you don't have to wipe it all over your face. You have to let the toner air dry so that it can absorb into the skin nicely. Now coming on to my review of this product, firstly I would want to say that I have very oily skin which is also very sensitive and acne prone, which is why I have to be very careful when I am choosing the products to use on my skin. This particular toner, I started using it last year around August and trust me, there has been no looking back ever since. I mean, I love this product so much that I have even included this in my wedding trousseau. One disclaimer that I would want to give about this product is that it is highly perfumed. So if you have the kind of skin that is allergic to added fragrances, or if you do not have a very high threshold of bearing a strong fragrance, then you might want to actually avoid this. I personally have no problem with added fragrances in my skincare or makeup for that matter. I actually like skincare products that has fragrance in them because it makes me feel good, it makes me feel fresh. Which is why I don't have any problem with added fragrances. But if you have any problem, you might actually want to be very careful while choosing this product. I'm not saying that it will be, it will react to your skin, but there are chances. So you can do a patch test. There are minis also available on the website of Plum. You can go with that, and if that product suits you, then you can go for the full size one. Talking about the texture of this product, honestly there is no specific texture to this product. It's just that this product has a very watery consistency and it is transparent in color, which means that it's completely colorless. Now there are two main ingredients in this product which are mainly suitable for people who have combination oily and acne prone skin types, and those two ingredients are glycolic acid and green tea. Green tea helps in hydrating and clarifying the skin, while glycolic acid helps in gently exfoliating your skin and getting rid of all the dead skin cells from the upper layer of the skin. Not really sure how much percentage of glycolic acid does this product have, because they've not mentioned it anywhere, not on the website, anywhere you really cannot find it. So if you look at the ingredient list, the glycolic acid is on the third position from the last. So if the ingredient list, I'm not even sure whether it's in the descending order or not, which is actually what it's supposed to be when it comes to a skincare product. In a skincare product, the ingredient list is supposed to be in descending order, which means that something that is in the highest concentration in that particular product is supposed to be on top, and the one with the lowest concentration is supposed to be in the bottom. So since it is on the third place from the bottom, there are chances that it is almost 1% or even less than 1%, which is actually the perfect kind of concentration, especially if you are a beginner, because it is not going to feel very harsh on the skin and it will be great for mild exfoliation. Now, there are a couple of reasons why I happen to love this product. First one being that it's very gentle on the skin. When I started using this product in August last year, I was very skeptical because that was the first time I was actually trying out with active based products on my skin. So I went with this one. I read a couple of reviews where it said that it's very gentle on the skin, but still I was very skeptical. I started using it, and trust me, within a first few weeks I actually saw a difference in my skin, and it did not feel harsh on the skin at all. It was very gentle on the skin. It's perfect for mild exfoliation. It cleans my face in just one swipe without actually dehydrating the skin. I did not see much of a difference with open pores, but that is fine with me because I don't have very large open pores. So even if it did not shrink my pores, it's okay with me, because that was the one place where I did not actually see a difference. But other than that, with my skin, it really worked magically. I feel very fresh after using this toner. It gives a very natural and healthy glow to the skin. Does not clog the pores, prevents acne breakouts, and at the same time hydrates the skin. The only off that I feel about this product can be for people, I don't have a problem with that, but with other people there can be a problem who have very sensitive skin when it comes to added perfumes. The only off for them I feel is going to be the perfume, but other than that I don't think there is anything. Even when I don't have a problem with its fragrance on my skin, I still think that Plum should tone it down a bit. Also, I think that Plum is coming up with their fragrance free range as well, because the other day I was just exploring their website and I saw a oil free moisturizer of Plum which was fragrance free. It was written on that. I don't know whether it's fragrance free or not, but it was just written on that it's fragrance free. And they have also improved the formula of the moisturizer as well. So if Plum is coming up with fragrance free products and in the same price range, then I think it's a commendable job, and I really hope that they actually get rid of all the fragrance from their products and launch completely new fragrance free products, because people are gravitating towards fragrance free products nowadays. This is an amazingly fabulous product, and I think you should give this one at least one try, because I'm sure that this is not going to disappoint you whatsoever, especially if you're a beginner and if you're looking for a product that can work on your acne, because I had severe acne issues when I started with this product, so it really worked on my acne. So if you are looking for something that would dry out your acne and work on it and help you get rid of it, then you can really go for this one. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description below. Share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye guys, stay home, stay safe.